Welcome back to our channel, I'm Jose Miguel. In this video we will present a special material, NOMEX, and how we use it in sublimation printing. Keep watching this video if you want to know more. NOMEX is a material designed to resist flames and high temperatures. Among its many applications, it is used to create pilot clothing in motorsports or some rescue team and military suits. At Brildor, we include NOMEX pads to use them with heat press machines. For which products can I use this technique? Because of its adaptability, resistance to high temperatures and its uniform heat distribution, we recommend its use for sublimation tiles, photo holders and other products with similar features. How to use it? The first thing you need to know is that the NOMEX pad must always be put on the lower plate. If you put it on top, in contact with the upper plate, heat reaching the product will not be sufficient and so it won't be printed correctly. Let's make an example by sublimating a 20x20 cm tile like the one we offer on our online store, Brildor.com. Prepare your design and print it with your sublimation printer in mirror image. Preheat the press to 175 degrees and adjust to a medium heavy pressure. Place the NOMEX pad on the lower plate and cover the top with protective paper to protect it from ink stains. Now place the design on top of it. Cover with the tile face down, adjusting it correctly in relation to the printing. Fix it with heat-resistant tape so the design doesn't move. Now press for 340 seconds. Once pressing is done, remove the protective paper with gloves and check if it's been printed correctly. You can see all the tile is uniformly printed, even on the edges. In addition to tiles, you can also use NOMEX to press products that present edges or are uneven when you want them to be correctly printed. You can also use it to press products with irregularities on the back of the printable side, like pockets, V-necks, buttons, etc. On our online store, you will find the NOMEX pads in the most usual press sizes, but also in rolls for you to cut it to the size you want. We hope we've been helpful. Click on the like button for us to continue making more videos with tips and updates. Subscribe to our channel to keep informed about them all. We'll see you in the next video.